Xenophobia. Siyaxolisa Mzansi Afrika. Mzansi Afrika senzeni? Sesizwile baseningizimu Afrika. Sekwanele ma-Afrika bhuka. The world have heard and hear it. We were involved. You have seen it on a television set. We experienced it. You read it in the papers. We were the victims of xenophobia. Impi yohlanga. We have witnessed the beating and the displacement of children, the raping of women, the looting and killing. Men were left with pieces of flesh hanging from their faces, desperate, homeless, and hungry. It was pathetic. Yes, it was really pathetic. These marching hodges and barbarics had no respect of Ubuntu. South Africa, lest we forget that Thabo Mbeki, Jacob Zuma and others were once refugees in our countries between 1962 and 1990 during the apartheid regime. Now we took refuge in your country, niyasibulala. Buphi ubuntu bakho Mzansi Afrika, luphi ugqozi lwakho ma-Afrika, sifelani kanti, ubuphepheli kwelakini yini? In the voice of reason, the people's poet once said, choose life and not death. In Imbulism he said, people choose God than guns, choose music than murder, choose violins than violence, choose ubuntu than ubulwane, choose isixaxambishi than xenophobia. Yes, choose isixaxambishi than xenophobia. May the world do something for our innocent souls. Peace, peace, peace. We cry for peace in Africa. All we need is oneness. All we need is to be together as one. Why don't we become one as Africans? Peace, peace, peace. Yes, peace in Africa.
Athi izingane ziyadlwengula akundaba kabani ka inganimpi isesendeni kungenxayezwe. Izizwe zivukelene uthando lusekho ebantwini sidlulwa nazinyamazana sekuxhwale nabefundisi la afelihle kakhulu izingane sesiba nabantwana.